Hey guys, it's probably 4 in the morning and got up early somehow. So, have been wondering since few days that 2020 has taken a toll on everybody. Like somebody wants to relate it from their timeline. Somebody says, "Why is this year doing so much hassle all around?" And there is corona and death of some famous personalities and all that stuff. So everybody is feeling a bit sad, disappointed, and I feel there's a shift in the routine, a paradigm shift in the routine or the timeline of the whole world. So there have been change in strategies all over the world, whether it's business, whether it's studies, whether it's way of doing things, whether it's some governmental work, everything. And this is something which is out of control. I mean, this is not in our control. I've been getting messages from many of the students as well that they feel highly demotivated at this point of time. The exams are getting postponed time and again, but again, it is not in their control as well. So, for the sake of safety, for the sake of taking precautions, preventive measures, the authorities, the administration has to do this. And this is something which is done keeping in mind the safety of all the examinees. And there are issues which are considering the physical and mental health, there are issues which are bothering everybody. So, the kind of person I am, I mean, I love to talk to people. I love to hear their issues, listen to them, provide them solutions, and I do get much in return, the love, the affection, and inspirations, and also some solutions to my problems as well. So I'm I've come out with this video for all those people, all those friends over there that with an initiative of talking to each other, motivating each other. See, I have just a simple funda. अगर कोरोना ऐसे फैल सकता है चेन बनाकर एक से दूसरा दूसरे से तीसरा और आगे मल्टीपल ग्रोथ हो रही है इसकी सो why can't we motivate each other? Like, obviously, there are motivational speakers as well. I myself have been registering myself as a motivational speaker on social media. But ultimately, the real truth is that motivational speakers are over there. But what is more important is self motivation. So we are usually busy in all other stuff, academics and the family stuff, the routine stuff, and our daydreaming as well. That somewhere we forget this thing that हम खुद ही अपने आप को बहुत अच्छा मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं. And there is this power everybody carries within himself or herself. It's just takes a moment, takes some time to realize this power. So मैं आज सिर्फ इसी चीज़ पे बात करने वाला हूँ एंड दैट द टॉपिक इज़ मेंटल हेल्थ. सो फिजिकल हेल्थ इज़ everybody's own prerogative. Like you can do gym, exercise, walk, whatsoever, yoga, anything. So that requires an effort. But what is more important is the mental health. इस टाइम पे द सिचुएशन इज़ समथिंग लाइक दिस. लॉकडाउन हुआ उसके बाद अब धीरे धीरे लॉकडाउन खुल रहा है एंड एवरीबडी वॉज नॉट एन्जॉइंग दिस फेस. घर पे हैं फिर भी पढ़ाई नहीं हो पा रही है और अब धीरे धीरे फिर चेंज हो रहा है, फिर कोई नया इशू आएगा, फिर हम पढ़ नहीं पाएंगे, एग्ज़ाम्स पोस्टपोन हो गए हैं. सो और सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स ही नहीं, लाइक बिजनेसमैन, professionals, everybody is feeling demotivated. Not in India itself, the whole world is demotivated right now. US may we are saying the unemployment rate has uh, risen so much to a new high. So this time is something that we all have to show brotherhood, we all have to show solidarity, and we all have to show strength for each other as well. For खुद के लिए तो करना ही करना है, एक दूसरे को भी सपोर्ट करना है इस चीज़ के अंदर. सो इसी सपोर्ट इनिशिएटिव को आगे लेके चलते हुए I have thought of developing a platform, this platform only, the page itself, that I would coin it, term it as let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk about our issues. Let's talk about our concerns. Let's talk about our problems. And let's talk about solutions to them. So it's not like this, a person A has some issue, person B might be having that issue, and person C might have been able to resolve that particular issue. So it is just something which maybe I'm not able to give you that particular answer, but maybe one of your friends or one of your acquaintances or a stranger can give you that answer. So let's use this platform. We all have to study as well, and we all have to work as well. So this particular initiative is not for the students only. It is for all the young professionals out there who are facing tough time in this at this particular moment, and I won't say moment, at this particular situation. The circumstances have framed up, not framed up, the circumstances have become so uncertain and so demotivating that everybody, even me, I myself need motivation. But there is concept of this self motivation, which everybody needs to know, and through uh, holding various talks, by listening to each other, by developing means to overcome this hypertension, this stress, the anxiety which is blocking your thoughts from studying, from working. We have to overcome that particular anxiety and fear, और उसके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है हम बात करें, हम बात करें आपस में, हम बात करें पब्लिक फोरम पे. हम अपना नाम बताकर बात करना चाहते हैं, नाम बताकर बात करें. हम अपना नाम बिना बताए बात करना चाहते हैं, हम बिना बताए बात करें. बट एटलीस्ट हम बात करें. दिस इज़ द ओनली solution to prevent yourself from getting demotivated, from feeling yourself inferior to others, or before heading on the road towards stress and depression. And believe me, time has been tough already before this corona attack on the world, but it has become more tougher now. So we need to take care of our mental health, and we need to take care of our, I would say, anxieties and this stress levels, because if we don't give it attention right away, right now, this is going to affect us in a long run. So I would just request, I'm just using this as a platform because there are many ways to motivate each other. There are many ways to feel self motivated. There are many ways we can help each other. So I thought of it's like as I already told, it's 5 in the morning and I'm doing all this stuff just because this has been buzzing in my mind since long. I've been talking to everybody and listening to everybody. So let's do this right away. I'll share my number over here as well. So any of you out there who feels that they need to discuss an issue, they need solution for an issue, or they don't want to give their names as well anonymously, you can WhatsApp me You can email me, or you can just comment over here as well, so that we can compile all these issues, we can generalize them. If there are some specific issues, we can take them up, and then we can discuss over here with each other, or we can discuss, we can provide solutions to each other at this particular platform, and make the world a happy one. That is it. Although that is something which is going to take a lot of time, but let's start this. As हर रात के बाद एक सवेरा होता है, हर लॉकडाउन के बाद लॉकडाउन खुलता भी है, और धीरे धीरे वो सवेरा हो रहा है, तो why not to fully utilize this time? We have to study, we have to work. So अगर कुछ हुआ है उसके बारे में बात करके, या हम कुछ बुरा फील कर रहे हैं, कुछ एंग्शियस हैं किसी भी चीज़ को लेके, तो उसे रिजॉल्व करने का कोई ना कोई तरीका होता है, और बात करना उसके बारे में सबसे अच्छा तरीका है। बिकॉज़ कई बार बातचीत में हम खुद ही वैसा सॉल्यूशन निकाल लेते हैं जो शायद हम अकेले बैठ के सोचें, डे ड्रीम करें, चिंता करें, हम शायद नहीं निकाल पाएंगे। और निकाल भी पाएंगे तो शायद काफ़ी टाइम के बाद, जब तक कुछ डैमेज हो चुका होगा। सो बहुत ज़रूरी है इस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे। मेंटल हेल्थ तो वैसे ही बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। आई बीन टेलिंग दिस टू एवरीबॉडी। अच्छी मेंटल स्टेट में होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। अच्छी मेंटल स्टेट मीन्स लाइक यू आर नॉट वरिंग टू मच, यू आर नॉट डीमोटिवेटेड, एटलीस्ट यू कैन work for yourself, you can give yourself the desired level of motivation, and be confident enough to do the works which you are destined for, which you want to do. पर still आज यही रिक्वेस्ट है भी, हम इस इनिशिएटिव में पार्टिसिपेट करें। आई डोंट नो मेरा ये इनिशिएटिव कितना लंबा चलेगा। आई डोंट नो, इट इज़ जस्ट समथिंग विच इज़ रैंडम। आई एम नॉट good at making videos and all that stuff. I'm just good at communicating and talking among groups, talking to you. But this is something which I felt that can be conveyed better in the form of a video. I might come up with another one if you people participate in this particular initiative, and I might not come up again because this is not my stuff as usual. So let's just do it. Let's be a part of it. WhatsApp me, email me in the comment section. Just pose your issues and concerns for which you might feel that we need to talk. Okay, so let's do it. Thank you.